So hey there everyone, back again with another video. So in this video we are gonna move forward in a Flutter series. So first of all, sorry guys for not being able to upload video from last 20 to 23 days because I was not well and was busy with some of the stuff. So I was not being able to upload video, and neither I was able to concentrate on my Flutter part of the things. Okay. So as we all know that in our previous video we have made clones of some apps, and to some point we have made everything that app has. Okay, and that was the app that I wanted to make. Okay, but in today's video we are going to discuss what we are going to do in our future videos. Like I'm gonna start a series in which I will develop all the pre-existing apps, okay, like Instagram, WhatsApp, and other things. Okay, like, so as we all know that I have started the first app, that is the Artgram app, but I was not able to complete that due to some issues. But the I think I have made 4 parts of that, and all the code of that are in the GitHub repository. So if you haven't watched that thing, just go over there and have a look of that. So in this series, first of all, I am gonna start to make the thing that I was working on, that is the Artgram app, but this time I will start from the scratch. Okay, that is, I will make the Instagram clone. Okay, so and I will try to integrate each and every functionality of that app, like, okay, like double tap to like, comment, share with your friends. Okay, one can send a friend request to someone, and one can accept or delete that, and I will try to integrate most of the thing. Only one thing I will not do is that I will not integrate the chat part of that, because that is to some point tricky, and in this series you will all be confused about how to do that. So the next app that we will make will be somewhat related to chatting part. So in this series we will make the Instagram clone app. Okay, and after that we will give it a name, and I will definitely upload this app on the Play Store. Okay, so that you all can also use that if it successfully ends. Okay, so but I will try to successfully end that, and I will try to make each and every functionality of that app, and the source code will definitely be available on the GitHub. So if you wanna go over there, twerk it out and make your own version, just go over there and feel free to do that. Okay, so and if you want me to make some another clone, okay, so just ping me on my Instagram or on my Facebook, just, or you can also write down in the comment section so that I can see you there, and make a video on that. Okay, and yeah, if you are facing problem to get connected to my Flutter WhatsApp group, just ping your number on my Instagram with your country code also, so that I can add you manually, because some people are facing to get connected to my WhatsApp Flutter group. Okay, and yeah guys, I have also started to write blogs. Okay, so my first blog is how to install Flutter in your system. Okay, so just go over there, the link will be in the description below. Go over there, have a look if you are new to this Flutter world. Okay, and if you have yet not followed us on Instagram or on Facebook, just go over there, show your support over there, because that support encourages me to make video for you all guys. Okay, so this is the 0th part of our Instagram clone. Okay, so in the next part I will start with the login screen with that gradient part, and where email and that thing, and I will suggest you, if you haven't watched my Artgram clone, so have a look over there so that you can understand what I will be doing. And if you will not see it, that will be also fine, because I'm gonna explain each and everything that will be done here. Sorry. So that's all for today, and if you wanna have a look for of my room booking app or the food delivery app, just go over there. The link will be the videos will be in the video section. Just go over there and have a look. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Thank you, have a nice day.